It is just a 3-step process to fix Windows 10 FPS drop problem. Go to search bar and type regedit. Click here to open it. Now select S. It will open registry editor. Then expand HK local machine. Then expand software folder. Now expand Microsoft folder. Just scroll down and search for policy manager. Expand it. Then expand default folder. Then expand application management and select allow game DVR. On the right side, right click on value and select modify. On this window you have to change value data as to 0. Then click on OK and close this window. Again go to search bar and type cmd. Right click on it and select run as administrator. Then select S. On this window you have to type this command carefully. Type sfc space / scannow and hit enter. It will take some time to complete its process. And finally type exit to close the command prompt. Go to search bar and type cmd. Right click on it and select run as administrator. Then select S. Now type these commands carefully. Type prompt and hit enter. Then type sfc / scanfile equal to c:/windows / system32 / ieframe.dll and hit enter. Then type sfc / verify file equal to c:/ windows / system32 / ieframe.dll and hit enter. Then type assoc and hit enter. And finally type exit to close the command prompt. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go.